Okay, how do we lose an iPod, people? How do we lose an iPod?
Wait, how to lose an iPod?
Like
Bye, Adam.
when two stupid
Christian.
people are playing.
Tommy doesn't
Hey,
care.
Taylor, Tommy.
And me. Alright,
Okay.
let's rewind so that we can find it.
Well, we can't rewind.
Where I was sitting. I can't find it.
Yo, can we like take apart
Daddy,
this
sorry
entire
it's taking
room?
so long, but Alyssa is trying to find her iPod.
We do not know where to find it.
Wait,
Tommy,
Alyssa's trying to
you
find
can't.
her iPod,
Wait,
but
what happened, Tommy?
I can't find it.
You can't find it. Here, someone take the camera.
No. Okay, my dad's cool. He's looking.
Okay. Let's take its entire thing like down.
Alright.
Don't break.
Okay.
Don't break.
Tommy, you found it?
Maybe two boxes
Holy. Nice, Alyssa. Smooth. I'm not telling.
Okay, you see? You know how we fix it?
Yo, you're like tearing apart the house.
No, we are.
I can't find it.
This is how you fix it, Alyssa. I fixed it.
Oh.
Adam will never.
Why is there blood under here?
Yeah, you all lost erases.
I found this.
Yeah, but I just put that in
she knew
there.
where that was. How do you lose an iPod?
We do not know, Tim.
When two stupid people are playing it.
I wasn't playing it. It was her and Adam.
Well, I'm not.
That's what I'm saying.
Fun.
Innocence. Chewbacca's innocent too.
Christian, I really can't find it. It's a waste of time.
Maybe it's on your bag or something.
Probably not. I
In your
left it
purse?
here.
What?
In your purse.
Oh, that broke. Can't find it. It's not turning
It's okay,
up.
Tommy. You just keep looking, okay?
Maybe? I'm leaving until I find it.
Keep looking, Tommy. You'll find it.
Look at him.
Tommy is not gonna find this.
What are you talking about? He's on the roll.
I'm on a roll.
Literally.
He's on a
roll.
circle.
No. Circles are considered rolls. Because, like, on a roll, you go around.
Actually, you're right. Actually, you're right.
All right. All right. Where's the mother?
Exactly.
You're in my looking space.
Look at his face.
You ever watch The Emperor's New Groove? Where he goes, you threw off my groove. You guys ever watch that? Don't get
Yeah.
so close. I'm claustrophobic.
You're claustrophobic?
I can't find it.
No.
Seriously. Dude, we seriously have to start looking.
Dude.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome, Taylor. You're welcome.
Excuse me, Adam. You're my looking space.
Everybody assemble.
Did you find it?
I need your iPod.
You touching my shoes? Oh.
I didn't do that. Oh,
You
wow.
throw my shoe?
Yeah, I threw your shoe at Tommy. Should we like clean up this?
No, we should do. We should find
Here,
the
I'll take it.
Look at Tommy.
Look for the iPod. I'm actually doing.
You know, he's actually doing something.
Actually, I'm doing something. Yeah, there we go.
Okay, where's Chewbacca in the first place?
Because
Because
down there.
maybe
No, it's
Chewbacca
not.
is with. Yeah.
Gee.
Nope, that wasn't it.
Maybe Chewbacca stole it. Where's Chewbacca?
Well, tell Chewbacca.
I found it.
Kidding.
Really? Oh, screw you.
Swear to God.
Oh, here's Chewbacca. Hey, buddy. Okay. Do you know where the iPod is?
Not under here.
Screw you, bitch. Oh no, I'm sorry.
Look at it go.
She's just like, okay.
Here, Tommy.
It's not under here.
Watch Chewbacca. It's not under here.
Where? iPod.
Oh, this is going in the web.
Back to looking.
This is like
Are
a.
you sure it's not in your pocket or something?
No, it's not going on YouTube.
This is so.
This is so going on YouTube.
No, if it's going on YouTube, Alyssa is strangled. Name it Chewbacca.
I want to film now.
Strangle me.
The Adventures
I'm
of
filming now.
Hello.
That was not nice, Tommy. No.
Find it?
Oh.
Who threw that?
It's in the plant.
Bob.
All right, Christian, you look. You videotape.
Check in the plant.
You videotape. Better at it.
Where can
Us stupid people looking for an
Yo.
iPod Touch. This isn't working out.
It worked.
No.
What's it gonna be called? The search of the iPod.
Yeah, there we
The
go.
search of the iPod.
Starring Tommy, Taylor, Christian, Alyssa, and Adam.
And Chewbacca.
Wait, ready?
Yo.
Dramatically go to Tommy.
I'm sorry, Tommy.
And then dramatically go to me.
Starring Taylor.
And Okay, dramatically go to Alyssa. Alyssa! Dramatically go to. Oh my god!
Dramatically sorry. Christian. And
I know your name, I swear. Adam down, Adam
You're
down.
like, what's his
this
name?
is so hard. We're so stupid.
What is
How
it
did
say?
we lose it? How did we lose it?
It's okay, I called her Alyssa Murray before. Oh, I hate forgetting people's names. I feel so terrible.
Yeah, okay.
H. Taylor Day.
Marsano. She forgets my name every day. She's like, what's your name?
Still, it's almost the end of the year.
Stop.
Starring in
I know where it is.
Place in Adam's Basement.
Dude, I'm telling you, I don't think it's in the spot.
I really don't think it's in the spot,
Oh,
Tommy.
it has to be.
Where are you going? Okay, no, rewind.
Maybe.
He's like, what's up,
Did
guys?
you leave it in the upstairs bathroom? Are you sure you didn't leave it up there?
I'm
I'm positive. You're moving.
I think I should look fast.
Oh, this is so hard. Is it under there? No, I don't think
Stop
so.
playing.
I don't think it's under there.
Here. Sat down. I'm busy.
We stopped playing. What do you mean?
Sat down.
Sat down.
I
Got up.
this spot. So it's
In that little corner.
Jesus, please, welcome.
There's only one. There's only one reasonable explanation for this. Look under your shoe.